Would you like to learn to finger swipe like a pro? Hi, I'm Becca, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the top 3 techniques that I use to create the details in my Dutch pour paintings using the finger swipe technique. But before we get to that, let's go ahead and prep our canvas, blow out our paint so we have something to work with. I am working on a 10-inch by 20-inch canvas, and as you can see here, I've already tried this once, was not happy with the results, and so I scraped the entire painting back into that canister there, and I tried again. I wasn't happy with the base color. It was a little bit too mauve, and I wanted it to be more purple, so I added in some dioxazine purple, mixed it all together, and went for my second round. I really do like this color better than the color I had before. Not sure if I'm fully sold on it. I wish it was a little bit, I think I wish it was a little bit grayer, a little bit deeper, but hey, it is what it is. Here I am using a creme brulee torch to pop the bubbles. I have gotten a lot of questions about that, so I will list a link in my description where you can purchase a torch just like this if you're looking for one. The first color that I'm laying down is Amsterdam White, and this is mixed with Olga's Recipe Group 2. This is Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue mixed with her Group 1 recipe, and then this is Amsterdam Green Blue mixed with Group 2. Other than the base, those are the only 3 colors that I'm adding to this painting. I'm blowing the base back over just to make sure that I have enough paint for it to flow into, and then I'm going to go ahead and begin the blowout. One of my favorite parts in creating acrylic pour paintings is adding in the finger swipes and the little detail after the blowout is finished. One of the 3 techniques that I use is to create depth by stopping midway to make the stem look like it goes behind the leaves. In other words, I don't swipe from the top to the bottom always, sometimes I do, but sometimes I like to stop in the middle and pick up the line on the other side of the leaf. The second technique that I like to use to create more interest with finger swipes is to create groups of smaller petals or leaves using my finger to create lines in the negative space. I like to create them in groups of 3 when I can because it's more pleasing to the eye, and I like to do it in solid areas where the paint might not have picked up some of the base paint or some of the other tones and it looks a little bit plain, a little bit less interesting to look at. I'll just go in and add some finger swipes and it just creates so much more interest. And I love the way it looks when the paint gets drugged down with the finger and it creates this beautiful sweeping thin line. Just so pretty. I've got this one petal here that to me feels out of place, so I'm going to attempt to fix it. First I tried to blow it and then I was like, whoa, I do not like that. So I decided to scrape that section off using a mixing stick and then just add some more of the base paint in there, blow it around until I got a composition that I was happy with. The third technique that I like to use in creating finger swipes in my paintings is to drag my finger directly through a group of cells. It takes those cells from a roundish formation to a very elegant, long, sweeping, elongated formation, which helps to draw the eye through the composition. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. To see the finger swipe in action, check out this video up next.